Hey everyone, Rodev here. Today, I want to talk about ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence program meant to mimic human conversation. Now, I know ChatGPT can be useful in certain situations, but in this video, I want to explore a few reasons why it sucks. First of all, ChatGPT isn't smart. It's limited in its capabilities and may not be able to understand or respond appropriately to certain requests or queries. This can lead to frustration for users trying to communicate with the bot, an answer inside of a print statement of any coding language. Another reason ChatGPT sucks is that it doesn't have emotions. It can't understand or respond appropriately to emotional situations, which can make it seem insensitive or unresponsive to users' needs. Chatbots also lack the ability to personalize their responses to individual users, leading to a less personalized and less engaging experience. ChatGPT is also limited after 2021, as I'm sure you've heard, and this limits ChatGPT's utility for its users. There are also concerns about the security and privacy of information shared with ChatGPT, as well as the potential for malicious actors to abuse or exploit them. This can be a big downside, and some people may choose to avoid ChatGPT because of it. ChatGPT may be used in ways that are not beneficial or appropriate. For example, we just talked about how you can trick the bot from going, "I cannot answer this," to "sure, here you go," just by asking it to give you the answer in a print statement. So while ChatGPT can be useful in certain situations, it can have many limitations and may not always be the best solution for users' needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave your thoughts on ChatGPT in the comments down below. Oh, and by the way, this script was heavily edited but primarily written by ChatGPT.